Hey, what's up guys, it's Hunter here. So it's been I think a month or two since I made my last video, but that's because I've been busy doing a lot of things. I've had a lot of school and it was winter break and a lot of stuff, but I did end up going to a car show, so I do have some clips playing right now of all of that. But after these clips play, I'll be showing you how to take off the inner fender slash wheel well cover. I don't know what you call it exactly, but the inside of above the wheel in a 350Z, specifically a 2008 base model 350Z. So the reason I had to do this was, one, because you need to do this when you change your headlights, but also when you have to access things that are underneath there, maybe the windshield fluid lines or different things. But when I bought this car, it was missing one, so I just had to put one on there because it ended up splashing water, because there's no guard there, into my headlight ballast, and it destroyed my headlight ballast and I had to get one replaced. Luckily I was able to source one for a lot cheaper. The place quoted me $900 at first, but I ended up getting it for like $70 and $200 in labor, so under a third of the price, almost a fourth. And yeah, that saved me money. But when you are removing this or putting it on, you do have to jack up your car. So I jacked it up and I removed the wheel, and that's what you have to do as well. And then there are clips or screws usually that connect it to the car in different places underneath, and you can just screw those off. What I did is I used kind of some screws with washers to hold it in and a zip tie. That's just how I put it in, but after you remove those screws you can pull it off and you can access everything underneath there and change your headlight if you need to. And I'll make another video on that, link will be in the description. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below and I will answer them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And bye, have a good day.